Pan-seared pears. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are cooking a delicious cold weather delight and making our pan-seared pear salad. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. To pan-sear the pears, quarter and core each pear. Sprinkle pears with sugar and gently toss. Take a moment to give this recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out our channel for other tasty salads. If you like what you see, subscribe to our channel and click the notifications link to know when we release new recipes. Over medium heat, spray a large skillet with nonstick spray. Add bacon. Cook bacon to desired doneness, turning halfway through. Remove to a paper towel lined plate and safely discard oil. Return the skillet to the stove and spray with nonstick spray. Add the pears. Cut side down. Cook until brown on all sides. Remove from heat and allow the pears to cool for 30 minutes. What winter salads do you like eating? Tell us by leaving a comment below the video. To make the salad dressing, pour olive oil into a bottle. Also add vinegar, maple syrup, salt, and pepper. Secure the jar with a lid and shake until thoroughly combined. To put the salad together, rinse the salad greens and dry them. Place greens onto a plate. Slice green onions. Sprinkle green onions onto the salad. Crumble blue cheese onto the salad. Don't forget to top with crumbled bacon. If you have enjoyed this recipe, like and share it. Also, subscribe below. This small act helps our channel grow. Drizzle salad dressing over the salad. Top the salad with pan-seared pears. Garnish with more blue cheese. And crumbled bacon. You guys are gonna love this salad. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.